Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share specially for my non-Bengali friends this mustard fish recipe which is in Bengali called shorsha mach. For this I have taken 3 pieces of papda fish which is a freshwater fish, and it is a very soft fish, so you have to be very careful when you're frying in the karhai. Only when the oil is very hot, adding a pinch of salt, you need to fry the fish.
I am adding a paste of white and black mustard, green chili, and adding it to the karhai. And to that I am adding pieces of tomatoes cut into small pieces, and some salt, haldi, and red chili powder. I've washed the mixie with a little bit of water. I'm adding that to this masala as well. You don't need to fry this masala for very long, about 5-7 minutes, and then you can add water to it. A small tip: before making the paste of the mustard, it is better to soak it for about 10-15 minutes so that the bitterness of the mustard goes away. I have seen in the past that all my non-Bengali friends love having this particular fish preparation, and they have been requesting me to post it on YouTube. So I thought of doing this particular recipe today. Now the water has started to boil. I will add the fried fish one by one in this water. As the fish is already fried, I will not cover it with a plate, or else the fish might break. I will just wait till the water thickens a bit, and then I'll add some coriander leaves for garnishing. It will also add a lovely flavor to the curry, and some slit green chilies. I have added 2. You might add more, if it suits you. And then from the top I will add little bit of mustard oil. This gives a very added flavor to the curry. This is optional. If you don't want to add that, that is absolutely fine. Hope you've enjoyed making mustard fish curry with me. Please support, share, and subscribe to my channel.